Welcome children. Come, we will see the next main. Subtraction by breaking the second number. Okay. Take your textbook, take page number 98. Okay. Subtraction. We are going to subtract by breaking the second number. Okay. For example, 65 minus 32. What's the second number? 32. We are going to break it. How? That means 65 minus 32 we are making as 65 minus 30 minus 2. See, that means minus 32 we are making as minus 30 minus 2. Okay. Minus 30 minus 2 is nothing but minus 32 only. But here we are breaking the number. That means we are making single number into two numbers. Okay. That is called breaking number. Okay. Breaking the number. Okay. 65 minus 30 minus 2. So, 65 minus 30 easy no. 65 minus 30 how much? 35. 35 minus 2 33. Okay. So, in this way we can do subtraction. Come, we will do the assignment 11. Okay. Second sum. Look here, 64 minus 31. So, what we should do? What is the question? Subtract by breaking the second number. So, we can't simply do. We should break what? The procedure in this way only we should do. If the question is like this, subtract by breaking the second number, we should do in that what? In that concept only. Okay. So, what we should do? What is the second number? Minus 31. 31. Okay. Minus 31. So, how to break it? 31 minus 31 is minus 30 minus 1. So, write like that. 64 minus 30 minus 1. Okay. So, now we can do easily 64 minus 30 how much? 34 minus 1. So, 34 minus 1 is 33. Clear children? Understood? Easy no? Come, we will do one more sum. 48 minus 26. So, 48 minus 26. What is the question? Subtract by breaking the second number. What is the second number? 26. So, break it, that means split it in two numbers. 26 you make it into two numbers. 48 minus 20 minus 6. 26 we make it as minus 26 as minus 20 minus 6. Now, 48 minus 20, 28 minus 6. So, 28 minus 6, 22. Clear children? Understood? So, in this way we can do subtraction by splitting the numbers. See here minus 34 no, we can make it minus 30 minus 4. Okay, here minus 44 no, we can make minus 40 minus 4. In this way we can split the second number, we can break the breaking, we can break the second number and we can subtract. Okay, do the remaining sums children. Okay. Come, we will go to the next main word problems in the next page. Word problems. Okay. See, word problems in subtraction may indicate okay. So, it may indicate partitioning, reduction, comparison or inverse of addition. Okay. So, you should study the following word problems of subtraction carefully, you should study it. Okay. So, whatever it may be, you should read the question, even it is a word problem or whatever it may be, you should read it carefully. Okay. Then only you can answer. Okay children. Come, we will read the first word problem. Vikrant had 9 marbles. He gave 4 marbles to his friend. How many marbles are left with him? Okay. This problem indicates partitioning. Okay. That means we are going to partition. Okay. Partitioning we are doing now. Okay. From 9 marbles we are going to take 4 marbles. So, we are going to do 9 marbles minus 4 marbles is 5 marbles. That is very simple, but you should understand the concept. Okay. 5 marbles. So, how many marbles? Vikrant had 9 marbles. He gave 4 marbles to his friend. How many marbles are left with him? 5 marbles are left with him. Okay. Understood? We are going to do partition here. Partitioning the things. Okay. That is the we are going to do the subtraction for partitioning here. Okay. Come, we will see the next example 2. Sandeep had 21 stamps. He lost some stamps and was left with 15 stamps. Okay. Sandeep had 21 stamps. He lost some stamps and was left with only 15 stamps. So, how many stamps did he lose? Okay, that means how many stamps are there now with Sandeep? What we should do? 21 stamps minus the stamps, how much now he is having? 15 stamps. Okay, so 21 minus 15 is 6 stamps. So, he lost 6 stamps. That means it indicates reduction. What? Reduction. How many? Reduction. Okay, it indicates reduction. Okay, children, come we will see the example 3. Okay, example 3. Vinita has 12 bangles. Neena has 5 bangles. How many more bangles does Vinita have than Neena? Vinita has 12 bangles. Neena has 5 bangles. How many more bangles does Vinita have? So, what we should do? We should do comparison. What? We should do subtraction. So, 12 minus 5, 7. So, Vinita has 7 bangles more than Neena. So, we are using subtraction for comparison also. Okay. So, we are using comparison, subtraction for partition, reduction, comparison and inverse of addition. Come, we will see the last one. How many flowers should be added to 45 flowers to get 80 flowers? We want 80 flowers. So, how many flowers? You have only 45 flowers. How many flowers should be added? So, what we should do? 80 minus 45, 35 flowers. Inverse of addition. Okay. 35 flowers should be added. So, we are going to use a subtraction for partitioning, comparison and reduction and inverse of addition. Okay, children. Come, we will see the word problems in the next page. Assignment 12. Okay. Solve the following word problems. Sujit read 69 pages out of 108 pages of the storybook. Sujit read 69 pages out of 180 pages of the storybook. How many pages are yet to be read? See, 108 minus 69 is equal to 39 pages. So, 39 pages are yet to be read. Understood, children? Very nice, no? Come, we will go to the next word problem. Yogita kept 48 chocolates in a box. Ankita ate some chocolates from it and then 36 chocolates were left in the box. See what happened? Yogita, see, who are they? Yogita and Ankita. See, Yogita kept 48 chocolates in a box and she went somewhere to the market. What happened? Ankita ate some chocolates from that box. See, after coming from the market, Yogita checked the box now. See what happens? Some chocolates were missing, only 36 chocolates were there. So, how many chocolates did Ankita eat now? What? How many chocolates did Ankita eat? How to find it? Come, we will see. What we should do? We should do subtraction here. 48 chocolates are there in the box. Okay. But after coming from the market, Yogita saw only 36 chocolates. So, how many chocolates Ankita ate? 8 minus 6, 2. 4 minus 3, 12. 12 chocolates. So, Ankita ate 12 chocolates. Ankita ate 12 chocolates. So, Ankita ate how many chocolates? 12 chocolates. Okay. Understood, children? Very nice, no? This stories. Come, I will do one more word problem. Look here. Out of 56 children, 47 children participated in sports. How many children did not participate? See, in your school, see a sports competition. Suppose running competition was there. Okay. So, what? 56 children are there in your school if you take, okay, in your what, grade 3. See, 47 children participated in that running race. So, how many children what did not participate? See, 56 children are there in the school. Out of that, 47 children participated. So, how many children did not participate? So, what you should do? You should do subtraction. So, it will become 4, 6 minus 7 we can't do. So, borrow and it will become 16. Okay. 16 minus 7, how much? 9. 4 minus 4, 0. So, 9 children, what are? Why? Yes. Okay. So, 9 children did not participate in the sports. 9 children, how many children did not participate in sports? Okay, children, understood? So, in this way you should do the remaining word problems, understand the concept, then it will be easy for you to do the sums. Okay.